So let's start with team A. And team 1, your question. Right answer +2, wrong answer -1. And you'll be having only 10 seconds to answer. So 10 seconds. Sure?
Yes.
+2 -1.
Sure.
2 points. Let's verify. Yeah, 2 points. Next team.
Telegram.
+2 -1. +2. Next team. Oh, it was Telegram. You were right.
Ethereum.
Sure?
Yes.
एक minute. Let's verify. And 2 points. This team. Smart. +2. +2. This team.
Sky.
Next team.
Atom.
Sure?
Yes.
It's Atom. +2. Next. Sure?
Yes.
Next team. +2. कैसे बाहर जाएंगे ये लोग? ठीक है, next round. This team. 5, 4, +2 -1. If you skip 0. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Anyone want to guess? This is Hotmail. Ooh. A small risk. ठीक है. Next team. That was warm up. Gmail. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Anyone want to guess? This is something to do with blockchain. It has a different logo. Initially, it was more of connecting dots. Hey, blockchain developer. This is Hyperledger. This is Hyperledger 2.0, the new logo. Okay, next one. This team. Sure?
Yes.
2 points. See, as I mentioned, you can blame. The sequence was defined by Harsh. Stack Overflow. This team. Sure. +2 -1. Skip 0. This round will define. Sure? Ooh. +2. I guess we can have one more round. Let me see if I have 4 logos. Oh, so tiebreaker. Tiebreaker between C and. Acha, straightforward, right? They are going to next round.
Yes.
So sorry. So you know whom to blame, right? ठीक है. So just for fun, we have some more logos. You can guess randomly. Okay, good. Of course. Okay, that was round 1 and we got 2 teams in the final round. Okay. Now we have a competition between these 2 teams. But there's a change in rules. Questions will be based on founders, not logos this time. Founders and CEO basically, humans, right? Now you can, only one person from a team can answer. You have to choose your representative. Okay, so we got Ajay and Aniket, they will fight together, so you can stand so that I can see your face. Okay, great. So you can help your team, okay? So let's start with the first question, and this is for team C. C and D, right? Yes. Let's start with team C. And your question, the first one. +2 -1. 2 लोग हैं. Sure? Let's verify. That's right. They are the founders of Flipkart. This team. Let me give you a hint. This guy built a mail application and sold to one of the very big company for $400 million. 10 seconds. You can skip. looks like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. And the answer is, anyone would guess? He's the founder of Hotmail, Sabir Bhatia. Okay, next, Team C. You can blame Harsh here. He is the creator of all these PPTs and images. And the finder of this names is this guy, Badresh. So you can blame both. I'm innocent here in this quiz. Hint. He's a CEO of a company which is growing a lot. Media streaming. Skip. Anyone want to try? He's a CEO of Netflix. Reed Hastings. Okay, next one for team D. Easy one. इसका मतलब तुमने बाहर देखा होगा आते वक्त. ये तो अपना वो name. Sure? +2 -1. That's right, Ritesh Agrawal. Okay, so Ritesh Agrawal. So 2 points. Next team. He's a CEO of a company who delivers food. Sure? Ekdam sure? Ooh. He's a CEO of Swiggy. -1. This team. Oh. Yeah. Sure? Now if you observe all the top leaders of the industry, okay, Jay, yeah, in fact movies are on the way, right? So now I'm not feeling bad. You can remove your cap as well. Oh, you have. This team. Hint, he is a founder of a company who made cloud storage. I mean, they're into cloud storage. And they are way before Google Drive. 5, 4, 3, skip. Founder of Dropbox, Houston. Drew Houston. Next one. Maybe easier. He's a CEO
of Stack Overflow. The current CEO of Stack Overflow. Prashant is surname याद नहीं आ रहा है. Chandrasekhar. Prashant Chandrasekhar.
इसको extra chocolate दे. Yeah. +2. Good. CEO of Stack Overflow. Okay, next. This team. ये old photo है इसका. He doesn't look like now. He look different. More old. He is Indian, CEO of a big company who makes application for editing photos, videos. Pixar. Pixar they are into motion pictures, not into images. 5, 4, 3. Skip. 0. And the answer is, Acha, any guess? Company name? It's Adobe. First of all, it's not Adobe. It's Adobe. And the name is Narayan. It's Shantanu Narayan. Next one. Famous. This team is very lucky, they're getting all the easy questions. When Harsh will shave, he will look like this guy. Hint, he is a founder of a cryptocurrency. No, he is not Satoshi Nakamoto. Huh? Apple don't have their own currency. Ripple. That was my hint. Skip. He's very famous. He's the founder of Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin. ये अपना वो 5, 4. अरे बहुत फेमस बंदा है ये. 3, 2, 1. हाँ? Sure? -1. क्या skip? Tim Berners-Lee, founder of www. नाम नहीं सुना कभी इसका?
नाम सुना तो फोटो नहीं देगा.
Oh. Tim Berners-Lee. He's very famous in the internet world. This team. बहुत हो गए easy questions. Oh, sorry. Skip that one. This is the CEO of GitHub, Nat. Okay, this one. Next question for you only. Ooh. पता था देखो? But look at the confidence. ठीक है. Let's try. Let's see. That's right. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, from the founder of Paytm. Okay, next one. No, he's not the founder of that phone. He's the founder of a chat application. Sure? This company was founded by 2 people. And his name is Jan Kong. -1. I love your confidence, but this team, question. He's the founder of a technology which was sold to Google. Anyone try? He's the founder of Android. Andy Rubin. And that's the end of round. And the score is?
Team C 5 and D 14.
Ooh, what a difference. Winning team will get something. Runner-up will run. Yeah. So thank Harsh and Bhadresh for the PPT, for the help. They will get something. So winning team, congrats. And you will get something, but later. Surprise.